Alright, there's an updated video now. I'm gonna start planting my plants today. I'm gonna start with some cucumbers and then I'm gonna go on and on. I got all my plants out here gathered up. I got some cucumbers, green beans, and I got all my plants that I had got it started out here indoors. Some of them didn't make it, but for the most part, a lot of them made it. So this right here is an updated video. So let's get to it. All right, so let's get. I'm gonna plant my cucumbers right here first. I'm gonna make sure, since cucumbers, usually grow a little bit crazy. I'm gonna make sure I plant just a couple out here, cucumbers, and then I'm gonna build the frame after they start getting bigger, so they could crawl up and not tangle all over the other vegetables. So I'm gonna make sure that it's at least a foot apart, minimum. So I'm just gonna kind of eyeball 12 inches. So I'm gonna go about right here. I'm gonna make sure to hose a little bit, not too deep, deep enough where I'm gonna be able to put the cucumbers in there, and the roots are gonna be able to expand. So I kind of use some recycling, the recycling water bottles. So I'm gonna cut into the bottle. I'm gonna try to cut all the way around so I could be able to get it all. I'm able to get it all in one piece. I'm gonna try to graft the whole entire with the soil and everything. I usually just dump it in here as long as the roots are intact. Then I'm just gonna put it right here. And then I'm just gonna push it down. And then I'm just gonna either throw some, cover up with some soil, pack it down. And there you go. That's the cucumber right here. All right, we can start planting the cucumbers right now. So, cucumbers don't really have to be too far apart, because once you put some rods going up, like a frame, it should tangle all the way up. So we're gonna start with some cucumbers. I got some cucumbers that I started a couple weeks ago, and then some that I started. Some of those I started before before this one's out here. So some might be a little bit smaller, but at the end, cucumbers are cucumber plants. They'll grow, so and you will have tasty cucumbers. The cucumbers, I usually don't spread them out too much because I'm gonna build a frame around here, and they usually all tangle up, kind of like I guess kind of like grapes. Like grapes, they'll tangle up and crawl through fences and stuff like that. So I'll get them started like this, and once they start growing a little bit bigger, I'll start putting my frame up before they start developing that vine, so it could start crawling up. And I'm gonna try to have a couple row right here, since we enjoy since we enjoy cucumbers. We're gonna try to have at least like 8 plants to maybe 10 plants of cucumbers, and I'm gonna try to keep cucumbers, loofah plants all in the same area, because they all usually tangle up and crawl up. So yeah, I'm gonna start with the cucumbers out here, and some of them, I'm hoping some of them still survive, since they were inside for a pretty long time, and they were kind of in a container like this. So being in a container like this, the roots had to spread. So I'm hoping, like the one out here, I'm hoping this one survives. So I'm hoping some of that fertilizer is gonna help it out. So yeah, and then I'll start with the cucumbers here, and loofahs following right behind them, since they're kind of like vines, they'll tangle up. And yeah, All right, well, there we have it. This is it for today right here. I still got few more few. I'm gonna say a lot more plans to keep going, but I lost daylight again. I don't know if you can see. I got corn in the back since corn grows pretty tall, and that you don't want to put them. You don't want to put any corn in the front, really. Block a lot of the sun away. I got tomatoes going to some peppers. I got this right here are my smallest plants right here. This right here are peppers, which this peppers out here aren't from around here really, so I'm gonna see if they'll grow. But I got pretty much all kinds of plants right here. So I don't know if y'all could see real quick, I still got a lot more to go, but I got some going on that side, and then I got the cucumbers on that corner. You can't really see them too much, but and then I got some over here. This right here is zucchini going on, and I got cucumbers out there. Some of them loofah plants right here, and then I got the cucumber plants are out there in the back, which I guess I'm hoping that some of them survive, but I don't know. I'm just hoping they survive. But yeah, there you go. And I still got way more planning to do, so I'm not done for today. But yeah, it's going. But I still got I'm gonna say like at least another maybe 50 more plants to plan out. But yeah, that's it for today though. But yeah, let me know if you got any comments below or any questions, and I'll gladly try to answer them. But yeah, I'm trying to keep them try to remember where each planet is, which if you don't name the plants, or you don't got a sketch going on, and you forget what plants is which. And that was kind of my mistake on some of them. On some of them I wrote down what it was, and then on some of them I had to transfer them over here, so I kind of forgot what they were. But yeah, I try to remember which plant is which, because then you be kind of like me trying to figure out at the last minute which is which. But yeah, there you go for today. So if you got any comments, let me know below.